Hello, today I'm going to introduce a parasite, Trichomonas vaginalis. The protozoan parasite Trichomonas vaginalis is the most common non-viral sexually transmitted parasite. This parasite is belong to phylum Exostellata, which is a kind of anaerobic flagellated protozoan parasite. This parasite is usually found in anaerobic environments, and it can infect many vertebrate animals, include human, monkeys, and many so on. Trichomonas vaginalis is the cause of the disease called trichomoniasis. This disease is the cause by the sexually transmitted of Trichomonas vaginalis, and it affects 12% of men and 16% of women all over the world. In appearance, you can look at my model. If you look from the back, this parasite is an oval and pear-like shape, and it has 5 flagella, including 4 at the anterior end, and 1 is combining with the undulating membrane. And there is a costa near it. You can see it's the blue structure I made in my model. And the flagella is help the parasite to move. For the costa, this structure is helpful for the undulating membrane to contain its shape and structure. And if you look at the middle of the parasite, there is the white structure from the anterior end until to the posterior end of the parasite, and even continues out of the parasite. This structure is called the exostyle. This structure is help for the whole parasite to maintain its shape. And if we look from the inside of the parasite, near the top, there is a big cell nucleus, and there's a centrosome in the nucleus. As an extracellular parasite, molecules on the surface of this parasite are critical for its interaction with host cells, competition with, and consumption of other organisms inhabiting the human urogenital tract, and evasion of the immune system. And it will cause people to make some immune response. This parasite is a very special species, for it only has one stage, that is tryphozoite. This parasite is transmitted by sex, and tryphozoite in one sex partner and then pass to another during the sexual actions. Anyone who is sexually active can get infected by this parasite. It affects women and men. But for men, it usually is asymptomatic. But some males can suffer from urethral discharge, urethritis, epididymitis, and prostatitis. What's more, for the infected organs in females are vagina and urethra. Females can feel itchy among these organs and can have white to greenish discharge. Some women will even have a symptom called strawberry cervix, which means the cervix mucous membrane may present with red spots and bleeding, sometimes with exudation. More recently, there are researchers shows that the infection of this parasite has been associated with increased susceptibility to human immunodeficiency virus, cervical cancer, and aggressive prostate cancer. To treat with this parasite, we can use metronidazole, and tenelidiazole. But what we need to focus is if we want to treat someone who had already get infected, we have to treat both of the sexual partners because they may be infected without symptoms. On the other hand, the patients should be regularly reviewed, for some of the patients may be infected again. That's my introduction of this parasite. Thank you.